Hey everyone, it is Diecast review day, and today we're taking a look at this really cool looking model here. What we have here in 1/18 scale is a collaboration between Maisto and Bugatti. I got this at Costco for $16.99 in Indianapolis. And I say a collaboration because it came in a Maisto box. However, it says Bugatti on the bottom, and what we have here is the 2023 Bugatti Bolide. Now, Bolide is French for the high-powered car, and that would be an understatement to say the least. What we really have here is like a really high-performance, track-focused, non-street legal, basically race car just for track days. All, I believe, 43 of the real cars have been sold out at a cost of around $4 million a piece. And today, my $16.99 version is a little bit cheaper and a lot less exclusive than the real car. Alright, so the car is actually finished in Bugatti Racing Blue or French Blue. And it also has this really nice graphite paint job. The real car, everything that's gray would actually be carbon fiber. As a matter of fact, the entire car is carbon fiber. It does have these really odd looking wheels. There's nothing to them. They're flat. That's for aerodynamics. And if you actually take a look, just like on the real car, very faintly you'll see little fins. And what that does is that actually allows for heat extraction from the brakes. Also allows for better ventilation. Another neat feature is a lot of the car's negative space has been faithfully reproduced from the real car. Negative space all the way through here. You can see a lot of the components. Even down here within the horseshoe grill and all the intakes. You can even see some of the exposed suspension. It's too bad it doesn't function. And of course, our monopost wiper that follows the character lines of the car. And as we come around the profile of the car, as you can see, it's a very, very track focused. It's just a very aggressive looking vehicle. It does carry that same C shape that the rest of the Bugattis for this event here. However, it's a lot less dramatic. Center lock wheels. And then of course you have atop the roof, the roof scoop, fuel door here, the engine cover that does not open just like on the real car, the W16.4 badging. And back here, a lot of the X motifs happen back here with the taillights. You've also got these really cool quad exhaust tips, huge Venturi fins, F1 rain light. All right, let's take a look at the other side of the vehicle. Very much the same. All right, now it does open up, just like the real car. Only 2 ports open up. Even in the real car, the buyer has no access to anything up front, which I don't think opens up anyway. And of course, the rear does not open to the user either. Just the doors. And they are these really cool Dihedral doors. And you get kind of a view of the interior. One thing I really wish is, like on the real car, to complete the air channel from up front all the way through here and into this vent back here, goes into the rear brakes, the door would actually have a continuation of that opening that is not present on the actual vehicle itself, or on this vehicle. It is on the real car, but not on the diecast. The other thing is this door sticks. Hard to open up. All right, but we got it. Again, Dihedral. And of course, it is a very cramped interior, as you can see. So we're going to go ahead and take the vehicle apart and show you more detail of the interior. All right. right, now that we have it apart, as you can see here, the Bolide is in its fully taken apart form. And we have the interior just for a little bit better view here. So, as you can see here, exposed suspension components. The dashboard has that faux carbon fiber look and this gloss blue details coming through down here. Into the thin shell carbon fiber racing seats. And as we go to the other side of the interior, a little bit better view of the dashboard and the steering wheel. Just a multi-function race steering wheel, the digital race display, a couple of vents, your ignitions, switches, different vehicle functions, and the lower portion here, this one right here, would be the fire retardant. Carbon fiber tub all the way through. And right behind you is the W16 engine, of course, because of the fact that the car does not have any openable ports. Not a whole lot of detail here, just a cast and block style with a little beauty cover, and that's it. Here is just a quick look at the dashboard itself. And the real car, everything blue would actually be suede. And then of course you have the Bosch display there. Not much in the way of detail. Faux carbon fiber, looks really good. And then we'll get the steering wheel. And here is the detail of the steering wheel here. Just like the other dashboard, let's take the dashboard, the blue would be suede. So there are the components of the interior. Alrighty, so there we go. That is basically the vehicle. I'll take a quick look at the underside. Flip it upside down. As you can see, completely flat underpan. The Venturi fins continue back here. No tread on the tires. It's a Bburago model here, as you can see there. The Bugatti Bolide name. And here it says made in China. And the serial number. And that does conclude our diecast review of the 1/18 scale 2023 Bugatti Bolide. We hope you found the review informative, and if you liked it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews and Instagram at BrensoJ1. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.